In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot sound problem on your computer. So if you have your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer and you can't hear sound from your video files or your audio files, then let me show you how you can solve that problem once and for all. My name is Isaac and this is a Minute with AI. If you'll find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by hitting the like button and subscribing to this channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that your speaker volume is working, and to do that, click on the speaker button here and then just make sure that this is not turned to mute. So if it is at 0, you'll see that there is an X here. So if there is an X here, you may want to go ahead and increase the volume on your computer and then try and play your music files or your audio files and see if you'll hear the sound. But if that will not solve your problem, then you have to go to start menu here and then just type in device manager, and here it is. Click on it to open. So I'll open this wide so that we can see. Now under this device manager, look for the option called sound, video and game controllers. If you click on it, it will open up the sound devices that you have on your computer. And for my case, I have two. This is for the mic that I'm using to record this video, and these are the internal speakers for this computer. So I'm interested in this, the Realtek high definition audio. So check for yours. There should be something related to this. Once you have identified, then right click on it and click on properties. Now from here, you can see under general, we are told that this device is working properly. So sometimes it might tell you it is working properly, yet you're still experiencing issues with your computer. So the first thing we need to do is to go to drivers. So we have the driver option here. Click on it. Then you have to head down to update driver. Now, one of the reasons why you might be having sound issues on your computer is because your drivers are outdated, and all you need to do is to go ahead and search for the latest drivers. So here we have two options. You can go ahead and automatically search for drivers for this device for your computer, and then they'll be installed automatically. So go ahead and choose the first option, and this will go ahead and search the best drivers for this computer. And as you can see, we are told that the best drivers for your device are already installed. If that does not solve your problem, then you may want to go ahead and click on browse my computer for driver and locate the best drivers, and then this will go ahead and locate alternative drivers that you have on your computer and then install it. Now from here, choose this option called let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. So if we click this, you can see now we have two. We have this Realtek high definition and we have high definition audio device. Now from this, you can see by default I'm using this Realtek high definition. So from the list, go ahead and try out the other driver and see if it works on your computer. Now if that does not solve your problem, still come back to sound, video and game controller and then right click on your high definition audio, and from here go ahead and uninstall this device, and the uninstalled device is here. So if you go ahead and uninstall this and then go ahead and restart your computer, it will go ahead and pick the missing sound driver for your computer and then install it automatically. So just uninstall this and go ahead and restart your computer, and then that should fix your problem related to sound on your computer. Now, if you still find that you have done all that and you're still having sound issues on your computer, then take the next step, which is to come to a speaker here and then right click on it. Now from here, choose the option called sounds, and here it is. If we open sounds and go to playback, let me put it here. I have my headphones on, that's why you are seeing this, but we are interested in speakers. These are the speaker devices that are connected to your computer, and we want to see if the speakers are functioning well. So go ahead and click on speakers and then click on this properties option. Now from here, go and click on enhancements and then check if this disable all sound effects is ticked. So if you find that this is ticked, it means that your speakers have been disabled. All you need to do is to go ahead and uncheck the mark. So if it was this, go ahead and uncheck this mark and then click on apply and OK. and that should solve your problem. Then go ahead and click on advanced, and here we want to go ahead and test our speakers to see if they are working. So click on this down arrow here, and this will open various quality that we can have on our computer. Now it is currently set to this, and we have to go ahead and see if it is working. To test if it is working, just click on test. And if you hear that sound, it means it is working. But if you don't hear anything, go ahead and change to any of these. Try all these and test them. Each time you select a new one, and then listen if it produces any sound. So once you have settled on any of these, go ahead and click on apply and then OK to complete your settings. Then you may want again to go ahead and restart your computer, and then everything should be okay at this point. So by following any of those, you should be able to troubleshoot and get your sound back on your computer. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly do me a favor by liking this video and subscribing to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.